Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist and today we are taking another daily look at VeChain on the charts. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for Billy. As you can see today he has got a little squiggly haircut and beard. And with that being said, we are just going to take a quick look at the charts here for VeChain today. So today we can see for VeChain, we have headed up pretty much almost and touched the top of this range high, which has been my technical target for VeChain for a good while now, as you would have seen in my previous videos. If you don't believe me, you can obviously go and check those. They are all on YouTube for the past few months. But I have been saying ever since we came down and retested the lows of this range down here, and we couldn't break these lows even with, you know, the bearish sentiment that we did see for VeChain and a lot of the larger altcoins in the market. Cardano also moving quite similar to VeChain at the minute. But you can see here, basically what we've had is, as I said before, this massive range that we formed over the past, you know, year and a half, really, almost 2 years now, which is mad to think, isn't it? That we have just essentially been going up and down and round for VeChain for a good while here. You can see, obviously, at around this anywhere from around 3.2 to almost 3.4 cents there, you would say. This is an area of resistance that hasn't been broken for VeChain in a good while. Came up and retested it here and retested it here. It rolled all the way down almost to around that. Well, we did get to about 1.5 cents there, which is essentially where we have been bouncing for VeChain. We did have that little range there that we obviously broke. We came down below, we came back up, tested the high, and then obviously we formed a range from here to here. We came down during this big descending wedge, stuck under resistance all year this year. We came down, we flushed out some liquidity down here all the way to around 1.3 cents. Came back up again, tested those again after getting rejected at that descending resistance. And then once we broke out of the resistance here and back tested, I was starting to think, yeah, we're probably going to see some relief now for VeChain. Obviously the technical targets, first technical target for me was the Fibonacci level, as it always is on a recovery rally in a bear market where you're looking to, you know, re-enter some at least stabilization of price. First area to hit is always that 0.23 Fibonacci at 2.7 cents. After breaking up from this resistance, back testing, ran up to the next resistance up at, you know, close to 2 cents here, in and around this previous area of structure. We break to the upside again, taking out some more highs in that local area, another back test, and then since then we have just ran all the way pretty much in a straight line from 2 cents all the way to 3 cents. As you can see, a very nice little gain. It's pretty much just a parabolic straight line move, but obviously smashing that 0.23 Fibonacci level at 2.7 cents in the process, and then continuing onwards, coming up and trying to test the top of the range right now. As you can see, we're very close to it now, although a little bit of a sell-off today as people are probably preempting taking some profits after this very nice run, really doing around 100% move here in the past few months, from 1.5 cents to 3 cents there. So a very nice gain off the low for VeChain. And VeChain is not alone in this. There are quite a few larger altcoins, as I said, Cardano and also Multiverse, eGold. A lot of these platforms have been pumping to the upside, with Bitcoin kind of stalling out and being a little bit boring over the past week or so. There's been a bit of capital rotation into larger altcoins that we have seen. And right now, I mean, this chart's looking really nice, isn't it? It's looking very nice when you just eyeball it here. You can see you got your nice resistance here, your nice support here. We came down, we retested multiple times at support, found ourselves unable to break the lows. We come back up, we're back testing this breakout here. We continue to, you know, come back up, making bullish market structure, back testing every single move as we go as well. A nice little retracement on each one. And now, you know, with us heading towards the top of this range here, we haven't quite hit it yet, but it looks like some people today are just choosing to maybe start selling off a little bit right now. And obviously if we get a little bit of a retracement, my first target would be 2.7 cents, obviously at that 0.23, but we could easily see ourselves coming back down, maybe as low as, you know, into this 2.2, maybe even all the way back down into this 2 cent area here, as we continue with this bull market preparation right now for VeChain. You can see obviously coming up into right now that area of resistance at the top of the range. We still need to see ourselves hitting that bear market resistance at 4 cents, by the way, but I think once we tackle and fully break out of the top of this range, we'll be seeing that getting tested quite shortly, along with the next Fibonacci level. But right now my targets remain the same. To the upside, we need to see ourselves hitting up at around 3.3, 3.4 cents. We're not quite there yet. And if we do retrace, my target would be at around that 2.7 cent level for a bounce. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Get involved with the links in the description down below, free Discord, and a ton of, I've basically partnered up with a ton of exchanges to get loads of bonuses. So go down, sign up to some exchanges. If you make a few small deposits, they'll give you some free crypto and some free trading capital. So make sure to go and check those out. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.